Hello guys, my name is Nick and welcome to my new video about Scoopz. So today I'm gonna show you how to turn off notifications in Scoopz. So let's get started. Go to the Me tab, for example, and tap on the gear icon at the top right. We will see the notification option. And let's tap on it. And unfortunately, you can't turn off notifications here for some reason. So to turn off notifications, you have to go back. Now go to Settings. And now scroll down to Apps. Tap on Apps. Now go to Manage Apps. And let's search for Scoopz here. Type Scoopz. Okay, here it is. Tap on it. And finally, right here, you can turn off notifications. So tap on notifications, and now just turn off the topmost switch, show notifications. Just turn off it. So that's how you can turn off notifications, or if you want to turn on Scoopz notifications, just activate the switch. And yeah. So guys, if this video was helpful for you, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.